Hey everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is fun, natural, and full of good vibes. I'm your host, Alex, and with me as always is the amazing Emily.
Oh, thanks, Alex. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. And today's episode is going to be super useful because we're talking about the most essential English phrases you need for daily conversations.
Exactly. You know, Emily, this topic is like the bread and butter of English learning.
Bread and butter. You mean the basic thing everyone needs?
Yes, these are the phrases that help you sound natural, whether you're meeting someone new, chatting with friends, or just saying hello to your teacher or boss.
And let's be honest, learning grammar is good, but if you don't know these simple phrases, real conversation can be awkward.
Totally. So today, we'll go through greetings and introductions, and we'll teach you phrases that make you sound confident, natural, and friendly. Let me ask you, listeners, have you ever met someone and your brain just freezes? Like, you want to say hi, but suddenly your English disappears?
Oh yes, it happens to everyone. Even to people who speak English daily. You just stand there like a robot. Hello.
Exactly, but don't worry. After this episode, you'll never feel awkward again when starting a conversation in English.
We'll make sure of that. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's get started with some real everyday English.
All right, let's begin with the most common part, greetings. Most people only know hello or hi, right?
Yes, but there are many more fun and friendly ways to say hello, depending on who you're talking to.
Exactly. For example, if you're meeting a friend, you can say, "Hey, what's up? How's it going? Good to see you."
I like, hey there. It sounds cheerful and friendly.
Right. And for more formal situations, like meeting a teacher, boss, or client, you can say, "Good morning. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to meet you."
Here's a little pro tip for everyone. The way you say the greeting matters more than the words themselves. Say it with a smile and positive energy. It makes people instantly like you.
Absolutely. Imagine saying, "Good morning," with a grumpy face, imitates a bored tone. "Good morning," laughs. Nobody wants to talk to that person.
Exactly. Smile, show interest, and you already sound confident, even if your English isn't perfect.
Okay, now let's move to introductions, because saying "my name is Alex" is correct. But it sounds too robotic.
True. Here are some more natural ways. Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. Hey, I'm Alex. What's your name? I don't think we've met before. I'm Emily.
That last one is great for casual situations, like when you meet someone at a party or a new class.
Yes. And when someone introduces themselves to you, don't just say hi. You can add something to keep the conversation going.
Exactly. For example, "Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Cool name. What do you do? Oh, I've heard about you." Only if it's true, don't fake it.
Yeah. Don't fake it, or it gets weird. But small phrases like these make you sound friendly and natural.
All right, quick learning tip. There's something called the mirror technique.
Oh, I love this one. It means repeat what the other person says in a natural way to show you're listening.
Exactly. Example. Emily says, "I'm from London." And I say, "Oh, from London? That's nice."
See? Simple. You're repeating a part of what I said, and it keeps the conversation alive.
And it shows interest. People love when you show interest in them.
It's also a great trick if you don't know what to say next.
So after introductions, what do you do next? You ask questions. That's how conversations continue.
Exactly. But don't ask too serious questions like, what's your salary?
Oh no, never. Ask light and friendly ones like, "How long have you lived here? What kind of music do you like? Do you come here often?"
Or even simple ones like, how's your day going? It's polite and shows care.
Yes, and if you want to sound more natural, use contractions. Instead of, how is your day going? Say, how's your day going? It sounds smoother.
That's a great tip. Native speakers use contractions all the time.
Here's another small secret. I call it the 70/30th rule.
What's that?
It means in a conversation, you should listen 70% of the time and speak 30%.
Wow, that's powerful. Most learners think they must keep talking, but listening helps you learn how native speakers build sentences.
Exactly. Listening gives your brain examples to copy later.
So true. English is like dancing. You have to move with rhythm. If you talk all the time, it's just noise.
Great example, Emily.
All right, so we've learned how to start a conversation. But how do we end it politely?
Yes, that's super important, because ending a chat properly makes you sound polite and professional.
Here are some examples. It was great talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. Let's catch up again soon.
And if you're in a hurry, you can say, I'd better get going, but it was nice meeting you. I have to run, but talk soon.
Simple, polite, and friendly. That's how native speakers do it.
Exactly. You don't need big vocabulary, just small, natural phrases used confidently.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's quickly review. Today, we learned greetings, introductions, small talk, and polite endings. Basically the foundation of daily English.
And if you practice these phrases, you'll never feel nervous starting a conversation again.
So, listeners, your challenge today. Try using at least 3 of these phrases in real life. Maybe with your friend, teacher, or even online.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase do you use the most? Or which one felt new to you?
We read every single comment, so don't be shy.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your English learning friends.
Remember, practice a little every day, and English will soon feel like your second nature.
Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.